Hey y'all, so we're gonna do the third and the fourth because it's already the fourth and I forgot to do the third yesterday. So I got this new way where you just pinch this down and open that. How did we get for the third? We got Nutella. Yeah, but it specifically says Nutella. Because there's no, it says no tell.
Okay.
Because it doesn't say anything on it. Like normally it says like chocolate slime or like, you know, but it's Nutella. It just says Nutella. So, and that's not how you spell Nutella. So. At least I don't know. But yeah. Ooh, I can see different lids. Anyway, I'm gonna do 4. But you know, first we gotta play with it. So yeah. Now we're gonna do the fourth. I'm gonna do the same method that I had. So what you gotta do is push, pull this back, and pull back. It's pink. It's a pink lid. Okay. It says clears. Sugar cookie scented. It says clears. But, so we're gonna play with it. It's kind of like a clearish pink, so we're gonna play with it. I didn't like the smell of that. And I did get slime because my, I thought I was gonna get slime because on the first I got putty and then the second I got slime, so I thought it was being a pattern. So I was right. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye.